To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, tap the Updates tab from the bottom menu. Then tap Add Status to create a new status update. Swipe left through the options until you find Voice, then tap on it. Before you start recording, you can change the background color. To do this, tap the Color palette in the top right corner. Then select your desired color. And then tap Done in the top left corner. Now, tap and hold the microphone icon to start recording. Speak clearly while holding the microphone to ensure everyone can hear and understand you. You can record for up to 1 minute and 30 seconds. You can cancel the recording at any time by sliding your finger to the left. When you're finished, simply release the button. Tap the play button to preview your recording. If you don't like it, you can delete it and start over. And if you are satisfied with your recording, tap the send button below. Your recording will then be added to your status. Everyone who can view your status will be able to listen to it for the next 24 hours. Sharing a voice recording in your status lets your contacts hear your message instantly and personally. So that's how you can share voice recordings in WhatsApp status.